What is up, Flomies? I'm Julianna, and today I'm going to teach you how to do the U-spin color switch, which looks like this. The U-spin color switch is a 3-beat color switch. And to start, you just kind of need to know how to do a horizontal figure 8 because you're going to use the first half of that. So you're going to go up over your arm, bring it out, and then your hand is going to be looking like this with a Flowstar on the outside. And you're gonna be going across your body. You're gonna stall it up here, and then you're gonna bring your hand facing forward when you come down, which is going into the U-spin or a 2-beat drop spin. So again, we're gonna go bring the Flowstar over, bring it out, and then we're gonna drop our wrist and go 1, 2. And then on that second beat, that's when you release it, and then you're gonna grab it from the outside on the opposite arm, from the inside on the opposite arm. So again, we're gonna go 1, stall, down, 2-beat, stall, 2-beat, stall, 2-beat. So it's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. When I release it, it feels like the Flowstar is gonna be releasing on the outside of my hand. So when you release it, keep these maybe the last 2 or 3 fingers. Actually, okay, I'm gonna do that part again. When you release it, the Flowstar is gonna be going on the outside of your hand. So you'll be releasing it on your pinky side. To keep it clean, I would say grab it with your 3 fingers when you release it because your other 2 fingers would get in the way and it could cause the Flowstar to wrap around your hand. So again, we're gonna stall, 3 fingers, stall, 1, 2, stall, 1, 2, stall, 1, 2. And that is how you do the U-spin color switch. If you like today's tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe and follow us for more. Happy flowing!